Hey there, have you ever wondered what is the cause of the electromagnetism that seemingly is being emitted from physical objects such as atoms, the human physical body, cells, the planet, okay, the solar system, the galaxy, the universe as well, which can be thought of as a form of undulating standing wave which is rotating around an off-center axis of rotation while having these ripples coming out from the center, caused by an input of information into the system, into the field of light, of electromagnetism, which otherwise would have no ripples, would have no perturbations in the medium. So, we typically think of physical objects as emitting electromagnetism, whether that's from so-called inanimate objects or biological matter. And we'll get into the difference of between them as well in subsequent videos. And but have you considered the viewpoint that matter is actually a form of condensed magnetic radiation, okay, caused by this information structure, okay, by convergence, rather than and divergence, because we're both receivers and transmitters, okay, but the form itself, which is emitting this bioelectromagnetic radiation, if we're considering the human physical body, is first of all receives. Okay, we're born and we receive love, which I'll also get into in another video. What is love in regards to physics and all of that. So we receive. So first of all, the electromagnetic radiation containing and carrying information is converging, okay, to the center. Like, so we can imagine this magnetic field or electromagnetic field coming around like that, and it's first of all it's coming in and converging to the center, to this really dense point at the center, and based on that information that is that's converging at the center, is producing particular waveforms, in the interaction between the information and the light, which is not permeating the universe, like the universe somehow exists and light or electromagnetic radiation somehow permeates it, but rather that the universe is composed of it, and without that input of information into the system there would be no ripples, there would be no waveform. So there's this input of information producing these fundamental waveforms, and then the secondary and tertiary and so on waveform interactions producing further structure. Okay, so essentially everything is like a standing wave interacting and is consistent based on the input of information into that system. Okay, so we're not only producing or emitting these waveforms, but we are also and primarily receiving. Okay, we're both receivers and transmitters.